Canva hack number one. Let's go.
If you want to remove a background from images, so I'm going to use this puppy image as an example. So let's highlight and go up and say edit picture. We'll go to remove background. Okay, so Canva is going to remove the background for me, and sometimes it removes the things that you really want, to be in the picture. So looking at this image, you can see it's like blah. I need the bottom part back. So you click on the remove background again. So I'll click on the restore, which has the plus sign. I'm just gonna increase the brush size, and I will go like that. Just paint it right back. With this, I don't want it to be like a perfect painting. I just go a little bit up. Okay, so like that. Sometimes I play with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to background remover. Here it is. Right, so this is what it looks like. So do you like this better, or you like the old one better? So I like this better. I hope you like this video. Like and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.